How to use Zillow to find foreclosure properties. If you're trying to find these properties or are interested in these properties that are up for foreclosure inside of Zillow, then what you need to do is add in this filter. First of all, make your location search on the top, and once you're done, tap on the filters option. Once you tap on the filters option, you need to scroll down, and under listing types, you'll be able to see the option which says foreclosures. Make sure you select this option, and you can deselect or unselect all of the other options that are being displayed. If you only want the foreclosures option, you can select this option, or if you want pre-foreclosures or even foreclosed, you can also select these options. But however, if you're only looking for properties with foreclosures, you can select this option and then tap on the apply option. As soon as you do that, only those listings or properties will be visible or start to show up inside of these search results. If this guide video did help you out, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next video.